Good afternoon guys, I'm back at the electronic market and today I've got a 100 RMB note which is around $15. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go around these markets and see what I can buy with this amount of money. However, I'm not alone, I'm joined by
Shaker
aka
Namaste Ji.
Gilly Singh. He's come to Qingdao to come visit, so I'm going to show him around, but at the same time we're going to buy some stuff.
Yeah.
Let's go. So guys, I've stumbled onto what seems like a games market. So we've got PlayStation 5s. Let's see what we can get, the cheapest thing we can get. So it's got all sorts of PSPs, even like a Sega Dreamcast, a PS1. Let's see what the cheapest thing. Anyhow, so yeah, let's have a look. 多少钱 PS1?
PS1
Yeah, 多少钱？
就这个，
对对。
这个450。
450. For like 400 out my price range. Oh, what do you reckon? Is there anything you like?
No.
Nah.
I don't play games and all like.
Anyhow, Lava. What's the cheapest thing you have?
最便宜的东西是什么？最便宜的东西啊！
So he's selling all sorts of things. He's got mouses, laptops.
是这个还是什么东西？
这个 Okay.
这个
这个
10块。
10块. So I can spend 10 RMB for a mouse. That might be quite good for my budget.
10块。
10块. Okay, 10块.
10块。
Right. What else do you have? Power banks.
还有这个
Plug. 非常好. Plug. Okay.
这个3块。
3块. 3.
3块.
I can buy myself a plug. I might use the remaining budget on this. Alright, I'm gonna go for the mouse. Let me go for the mouse. That's like good for my budget, not wasting it all, and we're buying something electronic. Okay, so there's 10 RMB on a mouse, and he's just gonna give us a little bag so we can get all our goods. Okay. Alright, 谢谢.
不用谢，谢谢你。
Let's go!
当然有。
Cool, 谢谢, bye bye. Alright, let's go guys. So those guys are just buying a speaker. I think they're looking around, but let's see what else we can find in this market. So we've got some toys. What's like this? I'm trying to spend under 100 renminbi. So,
100?
so I want to spend like 20 or 10.
What kind of platform? What kind of game? What kind of platform?
Anything. I want to buy anything. Just something very, very cheap. What's the cheapest thing he had? 多少钱这个？
90块。
90.
90.
That's too expensive. I'll be out of budget. What cheap things do you think I can find in this market? Anything cheap? I bought a mouse for 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. 10 RMB for a mouse.
Yeah, this is kind of cheap, I think.
Yeah. Anything else you reckon in this?
I don't know.
You're selling this one for 90.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's a bit too much.
Maybe some games is pretty cheap. Maybe.
Yeah, second hand maybe, yeah?
Mhm.
Let's have a look. Let's be cheeky. Let's see if you can do Laba, can you do Laba, can you do 20块?
No.
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 Straight up no. Tough bargain this guy. Straight up no.
这多少钱来着？这是
plug
50块钱，这是不是50块钱来着？这个。这还是
50块钱是吧？
还是50？
很贵。
Yeah, still, this is the lowest
Is it?
controller.
How
I
much?
think.
How much is this one?
50.
Can you do Can you do 40? Laba, 40. 40可以？
可以。
可以？40?
可以。
Hey, got the controller. We got 40. So there we go, guys. I spent a little bit of our budget. 40. Does this work? Is this like a PlayStation one?
PlayStation.
Was it like a PC controller?
Yeah, it's only for PC.
Oh.
And Android, I think.
Smartphone, PC.
And low, and maybe iOS 13 or 9.
Ah, is that 40? Should I spend all my budget on that? I'll have 50 left. I think I'll come back and think about it. 40, that's not a lot. We'll come back. We'll see how much we can get. Can you tell the boss we'll come back later? Let's go. We'll come back. Okay, alright, 谢谢老板. Cool, let's go.
85
85, 85. Ooh. 你有20、30有在哪里? Okay, so we've got some things for a couple of quid. Let's see what she's selling.
这样的小东西，
Ah,
这样的
iPhone.
小东西，这样的，
Okay. renminbi?
10，
Sure, yeah.
这个
What's that?
这个
Yeah.
这个
What's that? Another PSP.
If not that PSP, this
25
PSP.
Ashwar, okay. Oh, that's a bit more expensive. He's got two. They're both 10 RMB. So this one for a phone stand, I might get
Okay, this is the phone stand. And what is this? This is.
a phone stand as well, but like a funny shape.
Oh, okay. I think this, like, some part is missing in this one. No?
Yeah, I don't know.
Because, like, see? I think this one is more good. Because they has, like,
Yeah, I can
it
stay.
has this, like, you know, suction.
Yeah, I might do that. Alright.
Yeah.
Go for a phone stand. That's alright. 10 RMB. There we go. We're down to 20. Spent 20 so far. Alright, guys. So we're gonna go for this. Alright, cool. Can I, this one, Jigga? Can you do a Wukwai? Wukwai?
5块要几个？
Jigga? Yeah?
要几个？
对
one。
Yeah, one. Yeah. Okay. For what? 谢谢老板. Wow, a little sneaky deal at the end. 5.
He's round the goalkeeper. He's done it! Absolutely incredible.
Indian must be proud of you.
Knows how to haggle.
需要给你拿一个新的吗
I should.
The new.
Oh, do you have a new one? Oh, okay. Okay, guys, look at this customer service. Give me a brand new one for 5 RMB, and she gets it all in. Okay. All right, come on then. Take me into a store. Oh, okay, perfect.
你可以选一个。
Oh, shit! Wow, brand new one. I'm gonna go for the red one. Arsenal colours. All right, guys, 5 RMB.
可以选一个什么颜色的？
Yeah. This one.
Huh?
Red one. Wow. So you have all sorts of things in here. Got like screen covers. Wow. Now she gave me a brand new one. Customer service. That's what you get in China. Customer service. You know. Yeah. That was the original. Hi guys. So I bought this rotating multi-function phone thing. All right. Let's put it in here. Okay. All right. Thank you. All right. Let's go, guys. Let's head around. So far we've spent 15 RMB. So we've got 85 left.
This is, like, the mouse and the gaming pads.
Oh yeah.
The printing is so nice, see?
Yeah, these are nice, eh? What do they have? Okay, ni hao. Is it possible to get a phone for under 85 renminbi? What's the cheapest thing you have? No. Okay, nothing. Ask for a phone, but let's keep going.
She's like, I have nothing cheap.
你有手机
充电线
yeah. Let's see if we can get a charger from this woman. 多少钱这个
10块钱。
10块钱. Great. All right. Let's get a charger. Yeah. Is this one good? 1 meter. Okay. 10块. Can you do 5块?
No.
8块?
No.
10块.
对。
Alright. I think all the chargers here are like 10, so this one's actually packaged up. Can I see? 我看看. Oh, this looks okay. The wire's a bit strong.
哎，大哥，听电儿这过来了。
Alright, we'll get this one for 10. Because all the chargers here are 10. So we've got ourselves a charger, so now we're going to be down to 75. There we go, we've got ourselves a charger. Okay,
不用客气。
so guys, now we've got a charger, a mouse, and even a stand for a phone. Oh, yeah. How does this market compare to like Indian markets? Like electronic, do you have a lot in India?
Yeah. Especially in New Delhi. Nehru Palace is, like, very famous for electronics.
Yeah.
And
Is it like this? Like this everywhere is just busy, like loads of stands and things?
yeah, it is similar kind of thing. And also the market is also very cheap, but not as cheap as China.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
So if you want to buy electronic stuff, do you go on Amazon or do you just buy it all from the Indian market? If you want to?
Amazon is also good, and also like off market in India.
So like
in
Doshi
every city basically.
Ah, right,
So
okay.
they are also good. Yeah. So
Nice.
it is also like in every city, every town they has their own market called Chinatown.
Oh, right, okay.
So in Chinatown, every article is from China, which is imported from
Oh,
China.
so
They
like
sell it there.
here, but in India.
Exactly. Yeah.
Nice, man. All right, let's have a look around. Let's see what else we can find. What are you looking for? Anything in particular?
Yeah, like I'm just looking for like random things like cameras, gimbals, and like whatever is coming in front
Nice.
of me. I'm just
Yeah.
see
Having a look.
that this one is very huge, no? This lens is very huge.
All of this stuff. Let's see what else we can find. Okay, we've found this stand here, and it's got loads of phone cases. 你好，你有苹果12吗？苹果12? Okay, let's see if we can get a phone case. So I know the wholesale prices are around 20, so let's try to get that. Okay, black one, blue one. Oh, let's try to get let's have a look. White one, yellow one. What color do you like?
I think the yellow one.
Let's get a yellow one.
对，还有这个颜色。
Okay, that one. Okay. 多少钱，黄色？
This one is unique.
什么？
35
35. Okay, 30. That's a bit high. Get it cheaper. Oh, blue one's nice. Yellow.
都可以。
Okay, okay. Can you do 15? I mean 15 renminbi.
有什么颜色
15
？15和那个
15块，15块。
35
Can you do 15块？
无法沟通啊。
Oh, we're getting the calculator. It's haggling time. Let's see what we can get. I think the price is 20, but oh, 35. Ah,
15的，
right. Can you do
没有15的，
Usher?
给你25吧，好吧？
Oh, Usher, too high, too high.
什么？
Let's do oh,
啊，25，
Usher, too high. Usher,
哎呀。
可以。谢谢老板。Usher? Okay. Alright, we got the
直播挺挣钱的。
Alright, there we go. She went all serious and giggling at the end. Okay, let's get so an iPhone 12 case, the yellow one, recommended by Shakur. Don't worry, it's gone for 20. Oh, wishing? Wishing? Okay. Alright, we've got all sorts, guys, spending all sorts. So we're down to now 55. I might just have to go and get that controller because I don't know what else I can buy.
今天是个直播，是个直播。
As well for 20. Come on, she offered 25, and then so she started at 35, went down to 25, managed to get it for 20.
要什么样？
There we go. Let's go.
Releases it. Arshavin. 4.
Hi mate. So we got a phone case for 20.
20.
She started at 35. We managed to get down to 20.
Oh, you bargain again, huh?
So how much we got now? We got I think we're down to 55. So yeah, let's see what else we can find.
Yeah.
Alright guys, in this computer store, let's have a look what these guys have. Anyhow, what's the cheapest thing you have?
最便宜的
I'm trying to buy something for 25 RMB.
键盘、鼠标。
Do you give a water? Alright, so let's have a look. Gonna get a keyboard, guys. Hopefully, give us a keyboard.
店里有键盘和鼠标。
25.
25, 对对。
25.
Okay. Alright, 25 he's given us for. Alright, there we go. There we go. Alright, we managed to nick ourselves a keyboard and mouse. This one? Oh, here you go. Okay. Jigger?
Yeah.
Alright, 25. Okay, we get this one, okay? Alright.
Okay.
He's given this for 25. So we've got a keyboard, guys, and a mouse. Comes with a mouse. So now we've got, what's it? Managed to get 2 mouses in case this one breaks. And we also got this. Wishing?
Okay.
Alright, let's go, guys. Come on. You sure? Okay? Alright, shit. Well, guys, he's giving it us for free. So now we've got a free keyboard. We've got most of our budget left.
Even the pad. I guess
What's
even
it
the
say?
pad. He's giving you the pad.
This guy's spoiling us for choice. Let's check out his TikTok. Oh, that's his brand on this mat.
对，这是我们的店里边特制的这个。
Oh, okay.
Okay.
This is bad.
Okay.
Okay. I should.
送给你。
Cool. I'll pay you. Don't worry. I will. Okay. Give her 10. Say. No. Okay. Oh, I got so many things now. Oh my god. Alright, guys. Got too many things. I think I'm gonna be here all day.
这个要100多了，139。
Okay. Alright. 谢谢老板。
139。
Cool.
客气。
谢谢。Alright. There we go. Alright. There we go, guys. We still got most of our budget left. Mate, I need to get you. May as well take it, mate.
I think he was saying that this is for 139.
Oh,
But he
really?
gave it for you
Really?
for free. No,
Oh, yeah.
but he gave it.
Yeah. Wow, 139
You
apparently.
can include this, you know.
Yeah, no.
That you were nice to him, and that's why you got
Yeah,
this.
that I didn't really count on one. That was a bit sneaky, but oh well.
That's a good thing, man. That's a good gesture, I guess.
Yeah, let's go. Let's keep walking around. Alright guys, we just left the market because I've decided I've got too many things. So in the end, I've got like a phone stand, managed to get myself an iPhone case, managed to get myself a mouse, and on top of that, we got this. We got a keyboard mat, I don't know what it is, and a keyboard with a mouse. So yeah, we spent about, how much in total? I think it was around 45, around that. But I think I'm just going to buy some food for the rest of the budget because we're going to be here all day. I thought we'd just buy one thing and the budget would be gone, but we managed to spend a lot.
You can go home by taxi now.
Exactly, I can afford a taxi. Yeah. Anyway, okay, good to meet you. Where can they find you?
Gilly Singh, that Gillisingh.
Cool.
That is my YouTube name.
Cool.
And my name is Shekhar Tomar. That is my YouTube
Nice, yeah.
channel name. Yeah.
So definitely check him out. He's going to be in Qingdao for a bit of time. He's got some videos he's going to upload. But yeah, this was the electronic market part 2. We'll see you for the next one. Peace.
Bye bye guys. Bye.